If you want to set up the bedtime mode on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we need to open settings. Once you open settings, scroll down a little bit until you find the digital, well-being and parental controls. After that we can scroll down again in order to find bedtime mode. So let's go over here, and now we have the setup of the bedtime mode. So first we can decide if we want to use the do not disturb mode for bedtime mode. So we can decide if you want to turn it on or off whenever you use it in this mode. Then we have the time when the bedtime mode should start and when it should end. So you can tap on the time in order to change it. You can also choose which days of the week should be included for the bedtime mode, which means that, for example, you can exclude weekends if you don't want the bedtime mode to automatically turn on at a given time during selected days of the week. Alright, after that you can also switch simply from the schedule to turn on while charging. So if you turn on charging, when you start charging your phone after 9 PM by default, you can of course switch this to a different time. Then the bedtime mode will also be automatically enabled. And then we can press done. Besides that, we have the option to allow access to app usage data and sensor data as well. So you can choose if you want to grant those permissions or not. So we can press allow. And there we go, the bedtime mode is pretty much set up. Right now it is automatic, but at the same time you can also just press turn on now button over here in this place in order to manually turn it on or off. You can also pause the bedtime mode for half an hour, and of course you can turn it off as well. If you want to completely disable the bedtime mode, then of course remember that you have a routine created, so we can tap on this arrow over here on the right side in order to select none, so that we do not have any routine activated. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!